I have Ethiopian people telling us what, like, just say, I said last time, God is my witness. Somalia nima and you are. Me cry the name says are planting for food and jobs, you know. Like a tennis me names or no crown follow African news, sir. Oh, yeah, can I say, oh, your president do very good guy, eh? He make Nkrumah, he make farm, eh? I see Al Jazeera. Or no make asano, or say, or share impactor. Planting for food and jobs are NDC for say any honso or for yebi. Mutieme. Planting for food and jobs are NDC for kwa ran kwa se ko kire me baby aye planting for food and jobs. Nelson woman kasa a secretary, regional secretary one time beka say Akufo Addo planting for food no de ba ye no e ya de pa na me no amafe ho enya ho mfaso amende matolan cruiser enya me na meka ye NDC niya wa ye position e wo NDC mo ne ka ye. A Somalian was praising planting for food and jobs. Ghana for when people outside Ghana are busy lifting Ghana, rushing to Ghana to do business, relating to Ghana, coming to Ghana to study. Over the years, Omaba Ghana every year school. What is it? Bruni Bia sorry said, or University of Somalia, Aquacusia de Ohoda. But Bruni ebe fan the bag said, or University of Ghana, Legon. Now we could see idea. The outside world praises Ghana. The ordinary Ghanaian who doesn't know what solution is, who does not like not general and generally di mwaye beba ya ordinary say mento atade bronya be mindidi yo meye didi mento akoko mento of sardine mento beef mento say antiama enra no okoto ni dwan baaye mento mi dwan mento mi say mento dwan yo mento akoko enkola isu bronya ba akoko e me den atobi. You start thinking, you find solutions. Ope omanya ya chene ewo from pass say Ghana na ubenya, and it's all because of a particular party that has ruled us with propaganda for so long. It is because of a particular party that has used lies to deceive the people of Ghana to even know say at the paper ba Ghana ni who's at the paper ba. Like a banner saying na ya fro trotro ye ni na yet trotro dia okura graphic here all kind yes you too know ye ni na na fa you trotro ye ko kenishi obi call doko nya ade dia okope ne ho asem ekoto daily graphic ni daily guide no yes you too know nto be hu a yi ni trotro no mo hwe ne style bi ni ya twitwitwi na ni hwe ne style bi ade na nka na tim na dia mo kwa akrachefo Sad time na yesi suku ko ho edinti no went to me and Kobe enti obi kind graphic wo ka mu kura na wo puafu graphic yi so enum na wo behu se sabe aban na oteso no oye adwuma de abo man no ana se onye adwuma mo man no graphic no mu na wo behu se wo ban bo etesen wo sikasem etesen wo yiedie etesen Ghana ni se Nenti momo de na ede nti ampasa mo ye incompetent anyansa ni mutrimu ampa nti sa ade na enye che enye politics keke na ye no kure NDC for mo pese mo kire se ye kase mo ye boka na ye ampasa mo ye boka anyansa ni mutrimu ampa because me na me dwen se politics na ye mo ka bi ni yeso ya ka bi e ba na serious debate na ye debate na serious debate propaganda mo mechi ya propaganda Mokwe ya propaganda. Yanko sensu ya propaganda. Everything in this baby are propaganda. Adding. Like, I'm still trying to phantom why India. Into say one day NDC for fat book. Ebe kano correct keke chiri pa na yeding. Just say party ne be wu, party ne be gu. Ebe say. Mentias you. Say NDC for Sister Mary that hey me na de me hu nkrofo bi o muni na mo mba me chewa ana he na moko ya e de nyame as say muni na maba because me no I still don't get it. Opa akwadwofo e wo Ghana NDC for omo na ya akwadwofo ono no nya agigate 88 BEC ono na SSC wentwa nso say yemfa no call immigration because of your party ni Ghana pa ko school wo so we dey utin yen tuntum ko school yo yase ko sua adwuma ano so wonko ko TVET ya wonko ko convert onko ye the you start ya ba fa wo propose akoso a eno so there bi wo say omo oje 11 ti dia wo we budget no kra na nya no na wo hwe nyansa ben na wo NDC for nyansa ben na wo nyansa ben na wo je di oman ama wo we hunu so hwe we pagya wonsa e di akoma IMF. Then you turn back. Who are what the country akoma IMF no? Ebe gina ho say wo economy was better. What's economy is a major no my self finger fish. Who ma no my one. Wo economy a wo se na ye no. Na sa major more party leaders no mo pa. O ma fonfon aye se mo bi no. O ma aye se nkraman nyanka bi. Akufo Addo mo no mo de hardship aba na netwa sa major mfiafu. Twesa major mfiafu no. When you face the country is the most dumbest people ever. Please face the country for crowd there. How many freedom fighters? How many Jimmy Ama me ye after budget we na mo say face the country no say na agenda. Because Lily, when you say me all this, so I'm going to say oh, and Akufo Addo they truly want Ghana to fix so. To be honest with you, that's what I thought. But after budget we buy na. The what budget no more mebuno. I don't know who said these people they are lying. They don't even understand what they are saying. They are saying they want jobs, but it's a lie. It is propaganda. They don't want to fix the country for Mobwa. On page you may be I should ask mom say Mukoye they deny remember 50 Ghana, remember 100 Ghana. That is all they want out of it. Because me who Ghana bebunu biya obey read the budget way. With a clear conscience. Obeka Chireme said, this budget is not a youth budget. And he fix the country if we accommodate idea we be too no say. Ghana for mo yeah fix the country for yeah the pressure to aban no so no once I feel more budget is about the youth. Once I feel that we have forced them that they are doing something. I thought that was what I was going to hear. Sana their finance bro for finance minister be kind ho nyina sa ye nuanom na antio bro for ye be kire mu you start ya ye de ba ye e-levy kura ya kire o dia ya affecting the affect ya kire sa ni na sa na can we wasting the time sana onabo kan gina ho yarefo gina na nan so kan budget ni na na sa ye nuanom boka o Sadia or can any no man to the Omote and say 11 2 and no hey 346 pages of document. Something a policy call you start for the first time in the history of Ghana. Yeah, budget we know it is only catering for we the youth. Me tuwe me yukumasi ni boy last na me yes we no example no minimum pabwe ye leather shoe minimum ye. Nanso minni machine na minni mo enti mentumi nya mo me yeso a mentumi nya finishing ni ye enti na ban bi aba waso wo okurantumi district or district you stand a chance okay of getting 10,000 Ghana cedis 100 million cedis na what they share sa o let the adwuma na wo de